a kit that has been shown a while ago. I was gifted it. It's a transmitter for FM and it is working with stages. This is what he sent me to look how to build it. I have to send it back. He just borrowed it me. And I look at it and it's three parts. The lower part is the stereo encoder. The middle part is the PLL circuit. And the upper part is the actual transmitter circuit. During months, I have this thing. I took the circuit board, I took the manual, and I was like, okay, I'm going to build it. I'm going to build the oscillator today. I'm going to get it working. And then I was, yeah. What I want to show you is that he has so many changes on the circuit board, altering the circuit board, like do not put in this component, cut open this trace and make a wire bridge somewhere, make a wire bridge here. And I was like, okay, this is it, back to the storage. I stored it in a cardboard box, or I stored it in a cardboard box. Back when I stored it, I couldn't build it because I didn't take it out of the cardboard box. But today is the day where I made it. I took it out of the cardboard box and actually started working on this thing. And here's just an update what's happening. So what I did is I first wanted to figure out what is what on the circuit board, and obviously I did that. And after doing so, I took the instructions he gave me. This is basically one side. I have the same side again, just a bit smaller, but the same information more or less, except a detail in the low-pass filter. And what I did, I put it there. Then he gave me a bag with components. I removed the components from the bag. And then I started to put them into boxes. And I made various categories. The lowest category, the lower side of the circuit board, is the stereo encoder, followed by the PLL circuit, followed by everything that has to do with RF, power amplifier, variocap, inductors, wire for making the coils, capacitors, and so on and so on. It took about 2 hours to get the parts together, and after checking multiple times that I have marked every part on the other side, I have marked every part as, okay, I've taken it out of the stash and put it into one of these 3 boxes, I still have this amount of parts left. There are parts like this huge electrolytic capacitor, 1000 microfarads, and it's neither on the paper nor in the actual box. So he sent me extra parts, maybe as a gift or something, I appreciate that. But on the other hand, he left out parts that are actually needed for building the transmitter. For example, these coils, these green coils here, 4.7 millihenries, 4.7 millihenry. He did not add these coils to the box. Also, he left out capacitors, 33 nanofarads. 33 nanofarads, I need them for the low-pass filter on the outer section. He did not send them. So overall, this is an update, and I'm telling you, I have most of the parts, 99% of the parts that I need for building this transmitter. I have them, and I already sorted them out. And in the next part, part 2, I'm going to build the FM oscillator. The FM oscillator is only a small part of the circuit board which does transmit a signal to a FM radio, and the signal that is being transmitted to the FM radio can be modulated, but it's neither having a lot of power nor is going to be very frequency stable. He wrote, you can build everything together if you want. I think he said that, but I think he also wrote that I can build the oscillator first and the stereo encoder and the PLL and build it like a system behind it. And I'm going for the last choice. I'm going to build everything like with a system behind it. So build the oscillator first, build the stereo encoder, build the PLL, something like this. Okay, so this was just a status update, what's happening with the FM transmitter kit I was given. As always, I appreciate it that you have time for watching my videos. Greetings, Stefan.